Hello kids, for today's video, let's talk about multiplying simple fractions. Let's try to have this problem. In Mr. Bolastig's classroom, 7/9 of this class are boys. Among them, 2/3 of the boys join the Boy Scout camping. What part of the class who join the camping are boys? What is says in the problem? The part of the class who join the camping that are boys. And what are given? We have 7/9 and 2/3. What do you think is the operation that we're going to use to solve the problem? Yes, we're going to have multiplication. So 7/9 times 2/3. Alright, so to multiply this one, the rule is very simple. We're going to multiply the numerator by the numerator and then the denominator by the denominator. Okay, so we have 7 times 2, that is 14, and 9 times 3, that is 27. Now, can we still reduce this one? No. So this is our final answer. So just make sure that your answer must be in the simplest form. Okay, so the answer is 14 over 27. All right. So now let's try to have another example. Let's try to have this number. So 1/6 times 1/4. Again, we're going to multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. So 1 times 1, that's 1. 6 times 4, that's 24. So final answer 1 over 24. So do we have the same answer? That's great. So now let's try to have this one. 5/7 times 1/3. Alright. So we're going to multiply again numerator by the numerator. 5 times 1. That's 5. And the denominator by the denominator. 7 times 3. That's 21. Final answer. Yes, we cannot reduce 5 over 21. Now let's try to have this one. 2/5 times 1/4. So again, let's go back to the rule. We're just going to multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. However, if we cannot reduce number, uh, numerator and denominator, then if we can reduce a numerator and denominator, that's better. Okay, to make our number smaller. For example, we can reduce 2 and 4 here. 2 and 4. So we're going to divide by 2. 2 divide 2, that's 1. And 4 divide 2, that is 2. So again, let's go back to the rule. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 1, that's 1. 5 times 2, that is 10. Final answer? Yes, final answer. Okay, so here we reduce the numbers that can be reduced. Okay, only numerator and the denominator. Okay, so